Oh, yeah, yeah.
Whoa!
Wow! That is
Charger!
Serious. Those are for Tommy, Nora. Nora, those are for Tommy.
What is that?
Hey, Tommy, what else is in the bag, though? Hey, Tom.
For Tommy.
What else is in the bag?
Why do you need a charger?
I have no idea why.
That's for Tommy. I'll show you.
So you don't have to replace the batteries and you just stick them in the charging dock.
Tom,
Whoa!
me first, you.
Nora.
Tommy, what else is in the bag?
That's for Tommy.
This.
Look at the color. Your special one.
Where's the
Hold on.
That's cool.
Yay. Hey, wait, Tommy, but look in the bag one more time.
Other thing. What else is in there, Bud?
Tommy, look in the bag again.
Hanging ball. Oh, right her mouth.
Oh, these are nets.
You got the tennis racket.
It's a tennis racket.
Awesome.
I took them over there because there was too much, but we're doing it in stages.
The other bag.
Yeah.
Mommy, where's mine?
No, the other one. Yeah.
There's another bag for you, honey.
Tom and Aunt Laura.
Yeah, from Uncle Tom and Aunt Laura. And then we got Gina, some from Auntie Gina too that have a theme going on here.
Now I know what's in there.
What's in there, Bud? What is it? Who could it be?
What do you think it
There's
is?
a dog in there. You never know.
Oh, that's cute, Nora.
Mario
You're never gonna leave the house, Nora.
Mario Kart.
Nora, come here a minute. I'm gonna show you
There's
something.
something else in there.
But you just have to go
Come here.
And another steering wheel. Extra steering wheel.
Nora.
And then you got 3 steering wheels. You got
Tommy, what do you say? What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay!
Guys.
No, wait, where's Auntie Gina's? Where'd they go?
Now we have 6 because
Oh my
those are yours.
God.
Those are yours.
Wow.
Hey, Tommy.
You got a little